Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's, and I'm going to show you how to make an absolutely delicious pepper steak sandwich recipe. The first thing we're going to do is start off with our steak, and I have 2 pounds of sliced Wagyu beef that you can get right from the butcher's department, already sliced, and Wagyu beef has exceptional marbling for exceptional flavor. We're next going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a hot large cast iron skillet. Let's add our Wagyu beef in there, spread it around the pan so it gets a nice sear. Immediately season it with salt and fresh cracked black pepper. We are going to cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes before getting in there and moving some things around to cook it for a further 2 to 3 minutes. It's okay if there's a little pink still on the meat. Let's go ahead and set it to the side. Let's bring that pan back on there, and I'm going to add on some steak rolls that Heinen's makes right from the bakery department. We're just going to give it a quick toast, and now to assemble it, we're going to add on a few leaves of bibb lettuce. We're going to add on a lot of that delicious peppered steak. Next, we're going to add on some sliced red onions, and then some Heinen's roasted bell peppers, a little bit of Heinen's pre-made pesto. We're going to spread it on there, get all that delicious flavor all over that steak sandwich, and then we're going to finish it with some crumbled goat cheese. And this, my friends, is one tasty pepper steak sandwich.